In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Binance BNB meme coins on GMGN. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create an account on GMGN. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link to get started. Now, once you are on here on GMGN, first, you must switch over to the BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain, so the BNB chain, okay? And then on here, what you can do is, of course, you have to first deposit on some funds, some BNB. So make sure you follow these rules, use your address, and actually deposit on some BNB. And then to trade, you can go to tranches over here. You can see the new coins, the almost bonded coins, and then the migrated coins. And then over here, you can just go ahead and set different filters. So you can choose a filter. You can then go ahead and, of course, do whatever you want here to actually filter out the good meme coins. You can see a bunch of different videos on YouTube regarding that. And then whenever you actually do find a coin you want to trade, so let's, for example, say that, I don't know, you find a coin in here inside the bonded ones, and let's say we're going to go for this one. And then if it's actually a good coin for you and you want to invest into it, you can just go to the buy button over here. You can select how much you want to buy, like this much, there we go, and click on the buy button. And then whenever you're ready to sell, you can just click on the sell button, go ahead, type in the amount you want to sell, either in the amount or percentages of the coins you actually hold. And after that, click on the sell button, and you've basically completed a trade on the Binance BNB chain meme coins on GMGN, okay? So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.